Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Guys, this year for prelims, we are bringing you a crash course, and this video we are going to particularly talk about the polity crash course. Okay, we will understand what is the weightage, what are the sources you will need to read, and what is the coverage in this source, and lot of features of this course that you need to know about. So let's get started and understand all these things about the polity questions in our prelims examinations. So first of all, let's understand what is the weightage of these subject, the polity subject in our prelim examination. Okay, so as you can see from the bar chart, we can usually find 15 to 17 questions every year, right? So that makes up to around 30 marks minimum. So if you study your subject properly, you can score lot of marks and making across the cutoff. Now, there's one difficulty that every student is facing, that the nature of questions of polity has changed. So what is the difference? These days UPSC is asking a lot of conceptual questions. At least 2 to 4 questions you will find, at least I am saying, from this conceptual part. Then there are factual questions which are asked from a specific part which we will be walking through in our crash course. And there are a lot of current affairs based questions also regarding some new policies, bills, acts, or what was happening around us. So if we know the strategy, then we can make a foolproof plan wherein we can aim at 90% accuracy in terms of solving our polity questions. Okay, now let's see what are the features of the course. First of all, the aim is we are going to target 90% accuracy. Whenever you attempt a question after watching the crash course, you will have a very high probability of getting that question correct. Why? Because we are going to work on your concepts. We are going to link these concepts to facts, and we are going to enrich both of these parts with our current affairs. Okay, there's also one trend that all of you have been studying only one source for your prelims, right? Now the trend is that lesser questions are being answered from that source. So in this course, we have incorporated more than 4 sources which will help you understand and solve every question that is asked that comes your way. If not directly, then indirectly also. By having these 3 things at your help, you will be able to deal with any question that comes. Another feature of this course is that we are going to discuss previous year questions topic wise. Whatever topic we are studying in a lecture, after the lecture in the last part, we will be discussing the PYQs, which will keep us on track and make us understand what does UPSC want us to study from a particular topic. Okay, and this is very important part of any lecture. With this course, you will be getting prelims static revision notes. And as I told you, there's a 3-tier coverage which will help you conquer most of the questions of polity, that too correctly. Now, we are covering the syllabus through 4 or more sources, which are very, very important. The sources being NIOS books, the sources being an NCRT, Indian Polity by D.D. Basu sir, and Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant sir. All these sources combined enriched with current affairs. So if you want to secure your 30 marks, around 30 marks in your prelim examination through polity, then this is your course to attend. Everything is explained from a basic level, and then from here it is taken to an advanced level. So don't worry if you are a beginner, you will learn a lot of things. If you have already completed your syllabus, then you will be enriching your content because we have multiple sources. We are discussing PYQs, we are linking current affairs, all those things. So this is one course that you should go for if you want to master your polity. Don't let conceptual questions confuse you. Say for example, there was a question about the definition of a state. This question has been asked at least 2 to 3 times in the last 5 years. Okay, then there are many repeated questions like constitutionalism definition, and we have also shortlisted the recurring topics. Now these recurring topics will be dealt with more explanations and more clarity, so that if it comes your way in a different form, you will be able to address it very properly and you will not get it incorrect. So this course is made by doing a lot of research on the recent UPSC patterns, which is why this is going to provide you a one-stop solution for your subject quality. Okay, so let's understand that this is our aim. We are going to secure this many marks if we do everything correctly in polity. What are we going to do? How are we going to study? We are going to divide the syllabus into 4 parts. We are going to master each part one by one. One being a conceptual part, which will cover all the concepts. For example, what is a federation, what are the features, what is a parliamentary system, what is a state, what do we mean by citizenship. Then comes the factual part. The factual part deals with the chapters like the parliament, from which factual questions show up, the constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. Right, these are the questions wherein they will ask you about certain things. Say, what is the percentage of people that can comprise of the Council of Ministers amongst the MPs. These are the factual questions. Then there are questions based on application of concepts. There are also questions which are based on current affairs, wherein you will need some sort of an analytical view. So we are going to study in this way. Also, these lectures are designed in a way that increases your retention capacity. What do I mean by that? We are going to study similar topics together. Say, for example, we are studying the chapter of president. Along with this chapter, we will study the topic of governor as well. Because whenever UPSC will ask you a question, they might be interchanging statements from these two, or they might ask about a comparison. Maybe the difference or the similarity. Same happens with Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So we have designed this course in a unique way so that you can answer your questions correctly in your examination. So guys, in the description box, you have a link to register. The course starts from 16th of December. The schedule is given on our website. The link to the schedule is also mentioned there. Go check it out for yourself and achieve 90% accuracy in all polity questions that you are attempting. But this 90% will need a lot of hard work and commitment from your end also. So let's get started. Thank you very much, guys.